In the Dhulikhel Hospital in Nepal, we perform successfully and happily since 10 years now a basic workshop for endoscopy and ultrasound, supported by the Gastroenterology Foundation Munich. We started in 2016 with lectures and hands-on training for doctors from whole Nepal. In 2019, we introduced the ultrasound to the lectures and the training.
Starting, that's the famous Janisha. Samira, the famous Samira. Good morning, Samira.
Good morning.
How do you feel for the workshop?
We are excited.
We are excited,
Yep.
yeah, finally. And we have 10 years of spring workshop. Yeah, 10 years. Yeah. So we are happy,
Yeah, we are very happy.
very happy, and start the session 1 was ultrasound. Yes. Work. Yeah, all the time we can play with depth, we can play with gain. So after the first day, I'm going back to the hotel, preparing for the evening party. I have also a lecture there.
The party is very important to enjoy the time as a team and family together and talk.
when Dr. Polkar goes inside the stomach, ask him, and the lesson comes. This is the great of God.
यहाँ राखेको छ साइडमा टाइट नगर्ने लुज है त्यहाँ त्यहाँ डाउन गोइङ डाउन अघि भर्खरै इन्जेक्ट यो इन्जेक्ट यसरी राइट टर्न गर्ने राम्रो कस्तो डराउँछ यो भाइ
प्रेस गरेर तान्नु सक्नु एउटा बास्केट